Ready? 5, 6. It's a little slow down. Right arm. Let's do hands to your hips. Then we rock. Right, left, right, up. Repeat. Right arm. Hips. Shoulders. And we're gonna jump up.
It's just a jump
To the left. Arms come down. And then we step to the right. Out, out, hips.
Put your hands
They
on
come
your
around. Look. Then we head nod. We jump in. Pelvic thrust. It drives you insane. We repeat the time warp. Hands to your hips. Shoulders up. One more time. Shoulders. Then you're gonna jump. Fantastic. Let's go up to tempo. Ready? 5, 6. Right arm up. You got it. Hips. Shoulders. Do it again. 1, 2, 3. Shoulders. Then we're gonna jump together.
It's just a
Jump to the left. Right foot out. Hit. Arms around.
Your hips.
Then we nod. Pull it in. Pelvic thrust. Jump around. Repeat the time warp. Right, left, hip, hip, shoulders. One more time. Shoulders go down, and we're gonna jump up. Fantastic. Let's go without cueing.
Those moments when the blackness would hit me and the void would be calling.
It's just a jump to the left. Put your hands on your hips.